How to install Zoom meeting? First of all, click on Play Store and then search Zoom meeting. Click Zoom cloud meeting option, then click on install option. After installing, click on open button, then you can click on sign in option. Click on Google option, then choose your email ID. Click on launch Zoom option. Now you click on meeting option. Now you can get your personal meeting ID. Now you can see two options, start and send invitation. If you want to send invitation to anyone, click on send invitation, or you can start your Zoom meeting, click on start button. Okay, thank you.